The safety clamp from Winton machine, designed to keep operators protected while maintaining production efficiency. Our safety clamp feature can be added to any of Winton's rotary draw benders. This innovative design protects the operator's hands and fingers from being caught during the clamping motion. With both electrical and mechanical safeguards, the system senses obstructions and can stop early before final tube clamping occurs. Because clamp dies apply thousands of pounds of pressure, even one mistake can cause serious, life-altering injury. By integrating Winton's safety clamp, you're not just protecting your operators, you're investing in a safer, smarter production floor. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.